Hi, we need to complete this quadratic equation by completing the square. First of all, we will move the constant to the right. Sign would change. Now we take the coefficient of x, which is minus 6. We half it and square it. Two, 3 times 6. We add minus 3 squared on both sides. This on the left becomes whole squared. 3 squared is 9. We take the square root on both sides. We can't solve this any further. We move constant to the right. We have another example. Once again, we move the constant to the right. We take the coefficient of x, which is 5, off it and square it. We add this one on both sides. This becomes whole squared. Five squared is 25, 2 squared is 4. 24. This becomes 49 over 4. Take the square root on both sides. Square root would cancel power 2 because square root in exponential form is 1 over 2. Two times 2, 4. Move constant to the right. Minus 5 plus 7 over 2, which is 2 over 2, 1. minus 12 over 2 minus 6. We have another example. First we move constant to the right. In problems like these, where we need to complete our quadratic equation by completing the square, we need the coefficient of x squared as 1, nothing else. So we multiply both sides by minus 1. We take the coefficient of x, which is 7, we half it and squared it. We're going to add this on both sides. This makes seven squared is 49, 2 squared is 4. $20, $49. It's gonna be 69 over 4. Take squared root on both sides. It's gonna be 4. If we move the constant to the right, so x is equal to minus 7 plus 69 square root over 2, x equal to minus 7 minus 69 over 2. We have another example. We move the constant to the right. Sign would change. In problems like these, where we need to solve a quadratic equation by completing the square, we need to have the coefficient of x squared as 1, nothing else. So we divide both sides by 2. We take the coefficient of x, which is 4, we half it and squared it, which is going to be 2 squared. We add this one on both sides. This one on the left, it makes x plus 2 whole squared. Two times 4, 8, minus 1 over 2. Take the square root on both sides. which makes we separate -1 from half. We know that -1 is equal to I squared. I squared is an imaginary number. Moving constant to the right. So values of x are we have another example. First of all, move the constant to the right. We take the coefficient of x, half it, and square it. We add this on both sides. This makes 17 squared 289 300. We take square root on both sides. $300 could be written as 100 times 3 . 100 square root is 10. Move constant to the right. Values of x are we have another example. In this example, the constant is already on the right hand side. The coefficient of x squared is 3. In problem like this, where we need to find the solution by completing the square, the coefficient of x squared should be only 1. So we divide both sides by 3. We take the coefficient of x, which is 4/3. We half it and square it. 2 times 4. We add this on both sides. This is 3. It's not clear though. So this one makes x plus 2/3 whole squared you know how why this and how it makes x plus 2/3 squared whole squared. So basically we see a plus b whole squared is equal to a squared plus 2a times b plus b squared. Here, looking at this one, x squared plus 2 into a, which is x here, into b, which is 2/3 plus b squared, which is 2/3 whole squared. See, x squared plus 2 times 2, 4 by 3x plus b squared, which is 2/3x squared. This is how it works. So now this is just explanation. So we have x plus 2/3 whole squared. It's gonna be 63, 21 3 times, so 5 3 times is 15, plus 4/9 times 63, 7 times 63, 7 times 4 is 28, which is gonna be 43/63 whole squared. Okay, we take the square root on both sides. This will cancel this one. We move the constant to the right. So